Are you scared of the dentist? Because you probably are, and not alone. Welcome to Gentle Dental. I am Dr. Sarah Chinnery, a general dentist, coffee lover, a lifelong explainer of all things teeth. My goal with Gentle Dental is to create a calm, honest place for you to get your dental questions answered without the stress, anxiety, and all the things that usually comes with coming to the dentist. Every day, I see patients that come in, there's something going on, I try to explain their options to them, and feel like defeated when they walk away not knowing actually what's going on. Just want relief or definitive treatment. But later, sometimes you're left wondering what actually just happened. All these dental terms, crowns and implants and bridges, fillings and extractions and all of these things to really understand all your options. Dental terms are super confusing. When you're in pain and a pinch in time, you should know your options, why we're doing stuff, and trust your dentist because we're trying to do our best. And the whole purpose of us going to school was to help people. We want to make it so accessible for you to walk in and feel confident at what's going on when you come to the dentist. If you're not taking care of your oral health, then that could affect other things going on in your body. And instead of just the basic questions of you've been flossing, we know the answer. You haven't. Please don't lie to us. We know. And honestly, I get it. You're in a chair. You're uncomfortable. We're laying you back in a very vulnerable position. Your boots on. I have a bright light and I'm asking you questions in your mouth with tools in my hands and you can't say anything. My goal is to bridge the gap, especially if you've had a bad experience. It makes going to a dentist 10 times worse. And personally, I am a little tired of every day walking in, seeing a new patient or seeing a recurrent one. The first thing that comes out of their mouth, I don't want to be here. And I get that. I do. I fully understand. You are probably the 30th person that walked into the building and said they hate me. We know it's scary.
My goal.
Semi-excited to come visit us. We're not scary. We really do want to help you. And I think that's going to be the most important thing, is to know that we are humans behind this. I think in my 4 years of practice, I have only heard one person tell me they're excited to see me. So out of the thousands of people that I've seen. So if that tells you anything, I know you don't want to be here. The hope of this channel is so that you can understand what's going on, that you get it, so that you can take charge of your oral health and be confident in going to the dentist and taking care of your health. So if you ever wondered, do you really need that crown? What is a filling? What are you actually doing? That's what I'm here for. Grab your favorite coffee mug, because spilling the beans at what actually happens at the dentist. Hit subscribe, leave your questions in the comments as we demystify dentistry one step at a time.